How are you? Hope you are all right. I am also fine. My dear students, at the beginning of my lecture, I want to welcome you for attending online classes arranged by Nolshoda Girls High School. Dear students, you know our school is closed now, isn't it? But online classes are open to all of you, aren't they? Dear students, I have already presented two sentences to you. Number one is our school is closed but online classes are open to all of you. In these two sentences, I have made two questions. In the first sentences, I have made a question, isn't it? And in the second sentence, I have made another question, aren't they? Dear students, can you say what kind of question are they? Isn't it? Or aren't they? Okay, you are right. You are right. This is called tag questions. My dear students, our today's topic is tag questions. I shall teach you about tag questions. Now I am writing the topic on the whiteboard. You will also write the topic in your answer script, in your khata. Our today's topic is tag question. Dear students, you are thinking about the meaning of tag. I say tag means to attach something. Tag means to add something. So tag question means জুড়ে দেওয়া প্রশ্ন. Tag question means জুড়ে দেওয়া প্রশ্ন. Dear learners, during conversation, many a time we make a short question at the end of the sentence to know if our learners, if our listeners agree with the sentence or not. And this type of question is called tag question. For your better understanding, I am also explaining this again. When we make some sentence, many a time we make a short question at the end of the sentence to give emphasis on the given sentence. Am I right? Yes. This short type of question is called tag questions. Now, you look at the whiteboard. I am writing two sentences. You will also write the sentences in your khata. Dear students, I'm sorry. Birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. Number A, there is a sentence, birds fly in the sky. And number B, there is another sentence, Rohim is not lazy. I have written two sentences on the whiteboard. Now, I am going to make a short question at the end of first sentence. Dear students, you notice I have made two tag questions at the end of the given two sentences. First sentence, birds fly in the sky, don't they? And second sentence, Rohim is not lazy. Here is also a tag question, is he? I have already said to you, the tag question is made to give emphasis on the given sentence or to know if the listeners agree with the sentence or not. Dear students, you see, in the first sentence, I have made a tag question, don't they? Birds fly in the sky. Tag question, don't they? I think if our listeners agree with this sentence, they will answer yes, they do. But if they don't agree with this sentence, they will answer no, they don't. No, they don't. In this way, I can have confirmation on the given sentences. And this type of questions are called tag questions. I am giving more examples for you. You will also write in your khata. Our school is closed. Number D, online classes are open to all. Number 3, our school is closed. This is a sentence and its tag question will be, isn't it? Isn't it? And the last sentence, online classes are open to all. Its tag question will be, aren't they? Aren't they? Dear students, you have already noticed that I have made two types of questions. Number 1, negative tag question, and here is another tag question, affirmative. Now, I am going to give you information about kinds of tag questions. You will know the kinds of tag questions. Dear students, there are two types of tag questions. These are affirmative tag questions and negative tag questions. Dear students, you have already noticed tag questions are of two types. One is called affirmative tag question and the other is called negative tag questions. If our sentence is affirmative, then tag question will be negative. And if your sentence is negative, your tag question will be affirmative. Have you understood? Remember, I am writing again two sentences. Tanya is a good student. Tanya is a good student. This is an affirmative sentence. So, its tag question will be negative. Isn't she? Other sentence. They are not active. This is a negative sentence, so its tag question will be affirmative. And it will be are they. Dear students, you have known what is tag question and how many kinds of tag questions. Now you will learn how to make tag questions. Now I will teach you how to make tag question. In your question paper, you will find tag question in question number 9. How will you make tag question? This is the way. He is not clever. Dear students, you see, I have written a sentence again on the whiteboard. It is not clever. This is a negative sentence. So its tag question will be affirmative. And now, how you will make tag questions? At first, you will write down the sentence in your khata. Then you will use a comma at the end of the sentence. At the end of the sentence, you will give a comma. Then you will use verb to be or auxiliary verb relevant to the sentence. You see, there is verb to be is in the sentence. You will use here is. If your tag question is negative, you will not add not to the auxiliary verb or verb to be. After having verb to be or auxiliary verb, you will use the subject of tag question, and the subject of tag question will be relevant pronoun of the given subject in the sentence. Suppose you see in this sentence he is subject. In the given sentence, the given subject is he. You will also relevant pronoun of the given subject here. If it is pronoun, you will also use this pronoun here as the subject of tag question. Then you will put a question mark and it is done well. It is affirmative tag question. Now it has been a affirmative tag question. But your sentence is affirmative, you will make negative tag question. Now I will teach you how to make negative tag question. Dear students, you see, I am writing a negative sentence on the whiteboard. Rohim is a good student. Rohim is a good student. Dear students, this is an affirmative sentence. So you will make now negative tag question. But how you will make negative tag questions? At first you will write down the sentence in your khata. Then you will have a comma at the end of the sentence. Then you will use verb to be or auxiliary verb in the given sentence. We see in the given sentence there is a verb to be is. So we are going to use is here as auxiliary verb or verb to be. Then you will add not. You will add not at the end of the verb to be or auxiliary verb. Then you will use here subject. But what kind of subject? Your subject will be the relevant pronoun of the given subject in the given sentence. Dear students, you see, Rohim is a good student. Can you see what is subject? Yes, Rohim is subject here, and its relevant pronoun will be he. The relevant pronoun of Rohim will be he. So we shall use here he as the subject of tag question. In this way, we have to make negative tag questions. Dear students, in the negative tag question, we have to use verb to be, verb to have, verb to do, or model auxiliary as operator for the tag questions. Now, before finishing my class, I am going to give you some homework. You will write the homework in your khata, and you will do the work at your home. I'm going to write some sentences as homework. You will all write in your khata. Water flows down. Water flows down. Number B. Boys are swimming. Boys are swimming. Boys are swimming. Number C. We should follow online class. We should follow online class. Dear students, I have written 3 sentences as homework. I hope you have written the sentences in your khata. You will make the questions at your home, and after opening school, you will show your homework to your respective teachers in the school. Thank you very much.